welcome or welcome back. So as you can probably tell from the title, today's video is going to be my week of cleaning routine. Now, I'm not going to say this is something I've been doing forever because that'd be a lie. I was thinking about ways and techniques and methods that I could use to help myself, as well as all of y'all, like make keeping your home clean more manageable and less overwhelming. I've done a ton of videos on like daily habits to keep your home clean, but recently I was thinking and I was like, you know what, if I were to create a routine, like where every single day throughout the week I have a specific cleaning task that I know I have to do, I'll find time throughout the day at some point. It's not gonna feel as overwhelming and I'm gonna like get into the habit of it, so it'll become more manageable and less overwhelming. All 7 days of the week have a specific cleaning task that I do that day, and I'm gonna take you through the entire week this week. Well, I took you through the whole week this past week. Of course, you can switch up the days or the tasks as you see fit for your own home plan. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get into it. Okay, starting off the week strong, Monday's cleaning task is cleaning the kitchen. Now, of course, pretty much every day I'm doing at least one 10-minute tidy of the kitchen, but for Monday, it's more of a deep clean. So I started off cleaning this pan that was in the sink, but then you'll see we do a complete wipe down of the counters, wipe down the appliances, clean out the fridge, clean the microwave, more detailed stuff that I don't typically do throughout the week. And part of my weekly kitchen clean is to remove everything that's on my counters except for the Keurig. As you can see, I didn't move that this time, but everything else I'll take off. That way I can get a full and complete wipe down of counters. And I'll also wipe down the backsplash at this point. And I never used to wipe down my appliances, but I do find that they get little handprints on them and streaky, that sort of a thing. So I find that if I wipe them down, it really does help to make it look a lot more polished. And I'm just using this basic stainless steel cleaner. I actually think Tim picked this one out. But I definitely recommend, regardless of the material of your appliances, to get in the habit of wiping them down every single week because that really will make a big difference. This is probably one of the most important parts of my weekly kitchen cleaning routine because I cannot tell you how many times Tim and I have gone through the fridge and then we realize there's like 5 different food items that we totally forgot about that we even bought and had, and then they've gone bad and we end up throwing them out. And that's literally like taking cash and just throwing it in the garbage. So going through the fridge at least once a week, first of all, to clean it out and wipe any spills or anything like that, but also to do an inventory of the food that we have is so helpful in keeping it clean and also not wasting any food or forgetting about stuff that we have in there. Finally is cleaning out the microwave. I'm not going to say that I do this every single week or that I'm going to do this every single week because it's not like it gets messy that often. But as you can see today, I did have some tomato stains on there from like a soup that I had heated up and it kind of splattered everywhere. So today I took some time to clean that out. It is part of my routine to check the microwave and see if it needs a little wipe down, and if it does, add that to my list. So Tuesdays are now for vacuuming. Now, a little switch that I made in previous videos, I've said that I'll do all of the carpets in my home and then all of the hardwood floors, but I found that it's a little bit more practical and time efficient to go room by room. It takes like 2 seconds to switch out the head from the carpet one to the hardwood floor one. So I started in the bedroom and then I made my way to the hallway, the kitchen, and into the living room. All right, I will be the first to admit that I do not mop enough. This is probably my least favorite cleaning activity, but I think that's why it's good to have a set day for it. So I know every Tuesday I have to take at least like 10 minutes just to mop up. It's not like it takes a crazy long time. And you can see today I only did the tile, but I do want to at least every other week do the hardwood floors as well. What's up, guys? So the first part of my cleaning routine for Wednesdays is my bed sheets. So I don't typically wash this every single week. I'm gonna throw this over there. And I am so thankful and appreciative that I do have the opportunity to work my full-time job from home. If you didn't know, I'm a learning content production manager for a cognitive science and clinical trials company. I've been working there for full-time for 3.5 years. I actually started as an intern when I was still in college. So I am so thankful. I absolutely love my job. And one of the perks of working from home is I could take 5 minutes to go throw the sheets in the wash. So it makes it really easy to be able to wash my bed sheets during the week. Oh, look who came in. Hi. Say hi. I love you. Can I get a kiss? Nope. Okay. Random question, but how often do y'all change, like if you have a dog, how often do you change out their bed? I always like to get ones where I can remove the cover so like I can wash them pretty often, but I also feel like after a while of her laying on it, it kind of gets like weighed down, you know what I mean? And it's probably not as comfy. So I don't know, how often do y'all get your dogs a new bed? What happened to your bed? There's no more cover on it. Sheets are ready. You're gonna have to get off the bed so I can make the bed. Do you want your ball? Where's your ball? Do you want a ball? Go get it. And I wanted to say that I know not everybody has the option to work from home and do these cleaning tasks, you know, during their lunch break or in the morning before they start work. So I wanted to say, if you are in the position where you have to go into the office every day, or maybe you're in school, so you're in class all day, I know that when you're already so busy and go all the time, it can feel like taking care of your home kind of falls to the bottom of your priority list. But keeping your home clean will help you in so many ways to feel like it's an inviting and comfortable place that you enjoy spending time in. So this is where creating a schedule and having a set task to do every single day is really helpful. And you don't have to do a cleaning task literally every single day, but just knowing what you're going to do and when is really helpful in actually getting it all done. It's much later, it's like 5:30 now, and the second 2 cleaning tasks that I have now scheduled for every Wednesday as part of my cleaning routine is dusting and wiping down surfaces. Slide this on. Look how much dust you can see, and then look how much better it looks when you go like that. Dusting is so satisfying to me. I've definitely been doing it more. I used to do it like literally never, but when I realized how satisfying it is, I do it a lot more. And when I say dusting and wiping stuff down, I don't necessarily mean like the counters and that sort of a thing, because I kind of do that every day, but things like my photo frames, my mirror, my TV stand, this wine chest, the clock, like things that I'm not going around and cleaning every single day, but by doing this at least once a week, it helps prevent a whole bunch of dust from building up. And thinking back, it might have made more sense to bring my multi-surface cleaner with me while I was dusting, and if I was going to wipe down a surface as well, wipe it right after I dusted. But today I did all the dusting and then went around and did all the wiping down. Thursday. It is bathroom and washing towels day, which you can see is a good thing because I already have a couple towels that need to be washed. Your bathroom is somewhere where you go to clean yourself, so you want it to be clean. So maintaining that bathroom cleanliness and doing it at least once a week is really important. So once I put the towels in the wash, I'll come back, put a new clean towel on the rack, and then kind of just put any random little stuff away. As you can see, this shelf is not looking so nice. This is the original cabinet that was here when I bought the place, but I want to get a piece of contact paper to cover that shelf because I don't think it's worth it to buy a whole new cabinet. But then I have like this general bathroom cleaner. Again, I think Tim picked this one out, and I'm wiping down the sink. I'll also wipe down the toilet, but I don't know, it just felt weird filming myself clean the toilet. I'm probably thinking too much into it, but I just felt like you didn't really need to see that. And then this is me later that evening folding all the towels once they were ready. Friday's cleaning activity is clothing laundry. I like to do this before the weekend, so I have a nice, fresh, full closet for Saturday and Sunday. Not that I do much, but I just like to have it, you know what I mean? It's currently 5:25 on Friday, August 13th, and we're about to fold all this laundry. And while I'm watching Dawson's Creek. Let me know in the comments if you've seen this show. I'm on season 5, episode 22.
And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes.
Saw this TikTok that I thought was hilarious. It was this guy saying how like basically having to do laundry, like the chore of laundry, is just so rude because there are so many steps to it. He was like, you know, you put your clothes in the wash and then you put them in the dryer and you're like, okay, they're done. But it's like, no, actually you still have to sit there and fold everything, and then you have to put everything away, and it's just like an ongoing process. And I really felt that. So when I'm folding laundry, I always like to just relax, watch a Netflix show, something that I can really get into and kind of just like forget that I'm even doing laundry or folding, and it just kind of like becomes more of a therapeutic, enjoyable activity. So little tip, not that creative. I'm sure a lot of y'all already do that, but just wanted to say that's what I do. First off, I just want to say if I look like really tan all of a sudden, that's just because an hour before filming this, I had put my Loving Tan on and then I slept in it that night, just, you know, weekly tanning routine. But for Saturday's cleaning task, it's to pick at least one organization or declutter project from my ongoing organization and declutter projects list, which I talked about in this video where I share exactly how to continuously keep your home as decluttered and organized as possible. I actually did this one at like 10 o'clock at night because I had a pretty busy Saturday. So today I decided to organize 2 of my most cluttered drawers. You can see both of these were just packed full with clothes. So I went through, folded everything, organized, found a couple pieces that I'm actually going to donate because I really don't wear anymore. And then today when I went in to grab a pair of shorts, it was like such an amazing feeling when I realized it was super organized and I didn't have to dig through anything. So I definitely recommend having a specific day where every single week you know you have to pick at least one organization or declutter project to keep that list of areas that need your attention getting smaller instead of bigger. Sunday, guys. Today's Sunday, August 15th at 9:34. It was 9:33 that it just changed. So for Sunday's cleaning activity, I really don't have anything that's like set on my schedule. Pretty much just, you know, my week or my daily 10-minute tidy on Sundays. It may be a little bit longer, you know, kind of get everything prepped for the week. I feel like I had something else to say, but I can't think of what it was. Okay, let's just get to cleaning. And the best part of splitting up all your cleaning tasks throughout the week is that by the end of the week, your home is relatively clean and put together, and it's not like you have to spend hours doing this huge clean. So by Sunday, you can see my home really wasn't that messy. It's just putting some things away here and there. We're starting in the office. I am so excited about decorating for fall. I think that's actually going to be the next video that y'all see from me. So I already have a few of my fall decor pieces out on the desk, kind of like getting myself inspired and excited, and some new pieces that I've recently picked up. In this bathing suit, I'm leaving here because I'm actually going to the beach later today. I'm really excited. It's from H&M if you're curious. And again, not much to do in the kitchen. It just had some dishes to throw in the dishwasher. That still wasn't full enough to start it. So just added those in there and then had a pan from breakfast that I had to clean. And Tim was funny. I came in and I was like, hey, can you go sit in the other room? I'm going to clean up the living room and film it. And he's like, what do you mean clean it? It's completely clean. But it's very different when you actually like make the couch and clear off the coffee table, any random little things that are on there. Like taking 5 minutes to tidy up and make your home or a room look a little bit more put together goes such a long way. When I walk in there for the rest of the day, it just feels cleaner. It feels more put together. We hope you enjoyed the video. She's like, can you let me sleep? If you watch until this part, comment your favorite animal emoji in the comments. I will have my entire Clean With Me vlog style playlist linked above me if you want more cleaning, like Clean With Me motivation type videos, linked above me. And don't forget to come back later this week for my fall clean and decorate with me. I'll probably be up Saturday or Sunday, but subscribe so that you're notified and turn on my notifications. And give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. And I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next video.